Modifications for the cool down of Stronger Everyday, day 2. The first cool down movement that I do is a foam roll of the lats. But if you're choosing not to come down to the floor, here's my best recommendation. Get yourself a lacrosse ball. They're like $2 to $5 on Amazon or any sporting goods store. And what you're gonna do is roll out your lats against the wall. So this is the best recommendation that I have for modifying this exercise without coming down to the floor. And we'll put a link in the comments to get your lacrosse ball on Amazon so you don't have to go searching for it. The next exercise that I do in the cool downs, I come down to the floor, I use the bench for a thoracic extension. I'm on my knees and I look through the window here. But if you're choosing not to come down to the floor, that's cool. We can do it on the wall. So get yourself some wall space, straighten your arms out, and then you want to slide your arms up and bring your chest as close as you can to the wall. And one thing to note is, yes, I'm sticking my butt out, but I'm not overarching my back. I still have a little bit of a tuck in my tail so that the main part of this stretch goes into my upper back and a little bit into my neck. And I'm also trying to not crank my neck back, just keep my neck as close to the wall as I can. It's naturally gonna get a stretch. And I'm keeping my elbows as straight as possible. So that is how you can modify that stretch to still get a stretch in your thoracic spine.